This is exercise 4.4, creating Windows Firewall Outbound Rule. This is found in the supporting Windows 8.1 lab manual, part of the Microsoft official academic course in preparation for exam 70-688. So in this exercise, we're going to create a Windows Firewall Outbound Rule. The mindset behind this is that by default, Windows Firewall allows only certain packets from the computer. Therefore, you must know how to adjust the firewall to allow additional outgoing packets as needed. The approximate time for this is about 10 minutes. If you are following along, we went ahead and actually signed out of our RWDCO1, and we were already logged into Windows 8B as the Contoso administrator. So we're going to start it with Windows 8B. So here's our Windows 8B. You see the RWDCO1 is logged off, but it's on, but it's logged off. So I'm just going to scoot this over and then bring up my Windows 8A and move this. Actually, I'll do it this way. Okay, so I'm on Windows 8B. We're going to go into the control panel. So let's go ahead and right click and control panel. Once in control panel, we're going to click on System and Security. Under System and Security, we're going to click on Windows Firewall. So we just installed a new application, but users cannot connect to the application remotely. What features should be checked to ensure it's not preventing users from accessing a remote application? On the Windows Firewall page, we're going to go in the left pane and click on Advanced Settings. And then we're going to click on Outbound Rule. I'm sorry, turn Windows Firewalls on or off. Nope, it's not it. Cancel. And then we're going to click on Advanced Settings. And then we're going to click on Outbound Rules once. And then right-click it and select New Rule. We're going to let it default to Program, and then click on Next, and then Browse. We want to navigate to our Internet Explorer, which is Windows Program Files. Nope. And then click on double-click Internet Explorer. And then we're going to single-click iExplorer.exe, which is this one. And then click on Open. And then Next. And we want to allow it to block the connection. And then select on Next. And we want to select Domain, Private, and Public. And then click on Next. For the name of the profile, we're going to call this IE Restriction. For the description, we're going to type restricts IE from connecting to the internet, and then finish. If you're following along in your lab manual, you're required to do so. This would be where you take your next screenshot. I'm sorry, not from here. From here, this is where you would take your screenshot. Now we want to right-click the IE restriction rule, which is right up here. So right-click, and we want to disable the rule. And that is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. The next video will look at using IP security.